Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this phone without password. Okay, but please only try to unlock your devices, in no other case someone else's, because that's a crime and that's unethical, so only unlock your phone. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, so we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get to the setup process, the phone will want to verify us and the Google account protection will appear. We'll have to sign in into the same Google account into which we were signed in on this phone before the reset. So thanks to that, we'll be able to use it again. So have that in mind. Now, as you can see, the device is locked. And now what to do? We need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer. So now connect your phone to your computer. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have the original one, you can of course use a different good quality USB-C cable. Now we need to perform a forced restart, and during a forced restart we need to switch the combination. First we need to hold power key and volume down until the screen turns off. Now start holding power key and volume up. And when you see the Samsung logo, release the power key but keep holding volume up. Thanks to that, we will launch the recovery mode, just like that. Now, using volume keys, select wipe data factory reset, and in here we also have the information. That's the thing that I was talking about in the beginning. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again, so have that in mind. Now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Remember that everything will be erased. Confirm by clicking the power button. Again, factory data reset, confirm. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on and we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.